보송아 디신에 촐 먹어봐 스팅그자는 토 먹어봐 근데 소소랑을 여봐도 하고 왔더라 근데 배는 소소 틱게 버렸어.
Das ist also so wichtig, dass man versteht, dass diese Fähigkeit, die Buddha-Natur, in einem vorhanden ist und weiters auch, dass man sich dessen bewusst ist, dass wenn man dem Weg folgt, wenn man praktiziert, man die Frucht dieser Praxis verwirklichen wird.
For the beginning, when you do meditation, it's most important is first you have to develop mindfulness. So for that, and it's necessary each time you have different thoughts, and you have to identify that.
The whole meaning or whole aim of the practice of Dharma is actually to benefit ourselves and also benefit of others. Which means, benefit of ourselves means that through the practice of Dharma we can free from the samsaric suffering. And then also through that, and also we can benefit of sentient beings. These two meaning is actually the whole meaning of the Dharma. Purpose of practice is that.
디 데네 나 인지치가 동바스진 다트 간는데 배주당이 미시 데 이나양 데네 유면이 타는데 베게 랑신 대라 동바스나야리 데고 밍스 다잡지레스.
Emptiness is not, the view of emptiness is not anything particularly easy to understand. Not because it is difficult, but because of our distorted view of reality and our habitual notion of reality. From that point of view, emptiness is difficult to understand.
근데 냐면 다고를 이제 바르돌라 근데 다 텔로나로 말바메라니 마 규버리 데네 손데 답에나 나저 가주세르 통화세야티 데네 까마바탕부터 숨 켐바네 손데 데네 군진 주루바 바르돌라 데네 다 쪼기 규반쟁에데 데네 영감마바이 버텔 때네 답에나 나란소 탐치에게 딱 가주 때문에 다고 세고야 김센데한테 베나 다가스 전에 거랑 권해 잠질 때는 많이 받지게.
Until Gambopa, it has been Tilopa, Naropa, Marpa, Mila, and Gambopa. Then, after Gambopa, beginning with the first Karmapa Dusum Kempa, and then the series of the Karmapas until the 16th.
When we're talking about view, We are not necessarily talking about emptiness. This, there are many kinds of view. So right now, the view that I'm talking about is really practical view, not talking about emptiness, like shunyata. This is after some time, you will understand. But right now, everybody facing problems. Everybody looking for something happiness. Everybody wants to, get rid of the sufferings. So this is a fact. So have to understand why you're suffering and why everybody is looking forward to achieve happiness. And that is the essence of teaching.